Today we're going to show you how to remove a shower handle if there is no set screw to remove it. This is a Pfister faucet, but this is going to work for other shower handles as well and other brands. So there's no set screw on any of this, so you might wonder, how do you remove this? Basically, all you're going to do is turn this counterclockwise, this inner collar here, and you can see I turn it counterclockwise, and that loosens it up. Sometimes you might need to use a little force, but before you do that, make sure and check there is no set screw here. And then you can remove this by just keep on turning, and it will remove that handle right there. And now you've got the handle off right there. And if you need to take this plate off, there is on this particular one a small little tab that you can press in there down at the bottom, and you'll be able to take this off, and now you can access this and service this if needed. I need to service this cartridge and replace it because this shower is currently only using hot water, or only putting out hot water. So that is how you remove it. And then to put it back on, we're going to just set that in place. You may need to silicone it sometimes, but also the body of the handle can kind of hold it in place once you screw it all the way back in. So now I am going clockwise to tighten the handle body onto the shower plate here, and I'm just gonna tighten it all the way, and now it is back on, and you can probably hear that the water works and the handle and everything works. So we are good to go with that, and that is how you remove a shower handle that does not have a set screw. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.